here, then the overtaking side distance would have not been possible, not required, because all are going. So as in the expressway, if you look at the things, all vehicles will be going at 100 km/h minimum. Then here it is not possible. Actually, it is not possible because our highway consisting of mixed traffic conditions. Our highway consisting of mixed traffic conditions. Mixed traffic. So means any road in India, highway or it is consisting of what? Mixed traffic, meaning it is consisting of slow moving vehicle and fast moving vehicle. So we categorically classify the vehicles into two categories: slow moving vehicle, fast moving vehicle. On road, if you want to say, truck is a slow moving vehicle. Maximum speed it can move. Hardly it may be around 45 to 50 km maximum, because loaded truck. It's a loaded truck. Whereas there your car speed will be minimum 650. Car is going at 70 km/h. Then what exactly you want the car to follow truck till 100 km? Till Bangalore? Till Solapur? No. That's why we require overtaking distance. We require overtaking distance or overtaking facility. Understand or not? And how we are going to provide? So we are going to analyze now overtaking side distance. How much it is possible? Like we could able to decide what should be the minimum stopping side distance. Same as the overtaking side distance can also be analyzed. So don't talk last benches. Similarly, the overtaking analysis can be done in a beautiful way. They have done it. Right? Then now I would like to define what is the overtaking distance again. Now look at this. What is the definition I would like to give? What is the overtaking side distance definition? Say look at the overtaking distance is the distance required by the fast moving vehicle to overtake the slow moving vehicle without colliding the vehicle coming from the opposite direction. Very important things. I repeat the definition once again. Overtaking side distance or passing side distance overtaking side distance is a distance required by the fast moving vehicle to overtake the slow moving vehicle without colliding the vehicle coming from the opposite direction at the same time. So now this analysis also is very simple. Look at. So this what exactly he wants. So this distance is to be analyzed. By the time there is one vehicle which is coming from the opposite direction, C1 or C1 or even whatever. So by the time this will come and occupy the place from C1 to C2 position without colliding. So this total distance, the total distance from the total distance being considered by the fast moving vehicle or the total distance required by the fast moving vehicle to overtake the slow moving vehicle without colliding the vehicle in the coming direction. That's why. So this analysis can also be made. Now coming back here, what are the factors depend upon the overtaking side distance? I think hope you are understood. Hey, look here. Hello, Mama. Where are you looking? Hello. What are the factors? What are the different factors depending on? There are 4 factors which are to be considered in analyzing the overtaking side distance. They are, again, let's go, factors. Factors. One is, look here, right now, speeds, right now. Speeds of overtaking vehicle, that is fast moving. Speeds of overtaking vehicle. Next, speeds of overtaken vehicle. I'll tell you what is the meaning of overtaken. Next, speed of vehicle coming from opposite direction. Coming from opposite direction. So this is very important. All are very important. The whole analysis consisting of these things. Next, what is next? The second aspect is again. So to analyze the overtaking side distance is also required to know the speed of overtaking vehicle, the speed of the fast moving vehicle, then overtaken slow moving vehicle, then vehicle coming from the opposite direction. So their respect to speed is very important to know. Number two, second is it also requires for look at acceleration, rate of acceleration of what? Of fast moving vehicle. Fast moving. Why this fast moving? What is acceleration? Anybody? What is acceleration? See, velocity is okay. See, this is V1 from V2, V1 to V2. So this is a change in the velocity. Correct? Velocity is in meter per second. Correct or not? Rate of change of velocity is what? Rate of change of velocity is acceleration. So this velocity is in meter per second. Then the rate acceleration is meter per rate of change of. The rate of change of velocity is acceleration. So again, second factor is it is the skill. This is the rate of acceleration, rate of change of acceleration. Unless the vehicle speed of the fast moving vehicle is changed from V1 to V2, then it only accelerate. So the car is going at the same car is also going at 50 only, truck is also going at 50. Then unless the speed 50 is changed from 50 to 60 or 70, then only it is possible to overtake. That is called as the rate of change of acceleration of that particular vehicle. Correct or not? A. Next, third is it's also required to know the skill of overtaking vehicle driver. Something. Unless this fellow is not having the skill of overtaking, this fellow keep on going at 50 km per hour. Because it's a car or a Benz car or whatever that. Bloody fellow doesn't know how to accelerate and move forward. Then he will not take up to started from Bijapur till Solapur, he will be following track only. That's called a skill. That's skill. That is what. That's also one of the factors. Then another is anybody? Another is gradient. So that's why most of the time on the gradients, overtaking is prohibited. Why it is not prohibited? Because you will not be knowing. During the overtaking the vehicle, come on and say, during the overtaking operation, in the up gradient also very difficult, down gradient is also very difficult. And down gradient it is much more difficult for the driver to overtake because he will not be able to judge where the vehicle is going, what could be the speed of that particular vehicle. All these aspects cannot be utilized. That's why we always important is that gradient, if any. So there are the 5 factors which are responsible for analyzing the overtaking distance. Radar, fast. So everything is there in the book. I am going to give these charts to you. No notes I am going to give. Okay, only I am going to give you the definition and I am going to analyze. That are not formula. Finally you will get a formula like I am going to analyze the formula. You come to know after that. Final formula, very advanced. This formula will be there finally. OSD is equal to 0.278. I am writing in kilometer per hour. Both way I will solve meter per second, also kilometer per hour. So this is VB into T plus 0.278 VB into capital T 2 times of S plus 0.278 V into T. But money this is the final formula. In meters. My boy, what are the information here? What exactly in this equation? What are they? One more thing I did not tell. The factors. In the factors, I did not tell one more thing. That one factor which is also to be considered while designing or while analyzing the overtaking side distance. That is the spacing of the vehicle. Spacing between the two vehicles. This one. Spacing. Center to center spacing. Center of one vehicle to the center of another vehicle. Center of fast moving vehicle to the center of slow moving vehicle. Center to spacing. This also required. Why? Because the speed, higher the speed, lesser will be the spacing. Lower the speed of the two vehicles, then much more higher will be the spacing. That's what exactly meaning. So right, that's what the fifth factor is spacing. Spacing of course. That's why the spacing word is going to come. Yes. This yes is what exactly spacing. Now I want to analyze it. What are things? So VB, speed of the slow moving vehicle in kilometer per hour. Don't right now. I have not derived the equation. Simply I am telling you. Advance. VB, the speed of the slow moving vehicle tractor. Example. Then the T, reaction time of the travel. Understood or not? Reaction time of the travel. Here, again I repeat, the reaction time of the driver as per IRC in the case of stopping side distance was 2.5 seconds. Now it is 2 seconds as per Indian Road Congress. The T is the reaction time, total reaction time. What is actually? Here also same meaning of the T has got the same meaning. How? The reaction time or the total reaction means the reaction of the driver of the fast moving vehicle to react to the situation. React to situation is not whether to overtake or not overtake, or if he is decided to overtake, then what exactly the time required to overtake. That's what exactly. I'll tell you what is one more time is also there in this. I'll tell you about that. Then coming here, look at the third equation. It is next VB I already told. T is nothing but total overtaking operation time. Total overtaking operation time, capital T. Then the different equations will have the different meaning with the examples I am going to tell advance. Then finally, this equation, the V is the speed of the oncoming vehicle, fast moving vehicle coming from the opposite direction. Oncoming vehicle, correct or not? Speed of the oncoming vehicle in kilometer per hour. And again, finally, the capital T is the total overtaking operation. And my boy is 2 times of S. Why it is 2 times S? It is the spacing between the two vehicles. Head gap, they call it as head gap. How you are going to find out the spacing? Anybody? Spacing, how you are going to find out? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು ಮೇಡಮ್. Where the spacing will be given by 0.2 times the speed of the slow moving vehicle plus L. L is the length of the vehicle. L is the length of the vehicle. Length of the vehicle can be taken as 6 meters or 7 meters. Okay, that is all. Let's go. Shall we define? I think I already defined the overtaking side distance. I think so. Overtaking side distance is the distance required by the fast moving vehicle to overtake the slow moving vehicle without colliding the vehicle coming from the opposite direction. Understand or not? That's it. Fast. Anyhow, don't take. I am not going to give full notes. Anyhow, these pages I am going to give you. You can copy it out. No time. Where what you want to take now? Right on. Overtaking side, overtaking what is that?
Overtaking side distance.
OSD or PST is a distance. देखो यार ना लोटे पास तुम लोगों ने बोलते थे कुछ चलता है मेरे लगे नहीं थे. Okay, OSD is the distance required by the fast moving vehicle. The distance PST or OST is the distance required by the fast moving vehicle to overtake slow moving vehicle. Distance required by the fast moving vehicle to overtake the slow moving vehicle without colliding. Spelling ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ colliding ಹೇಳಿ
8 to 8
colliding the vehicle coming from the opposite direction, without colliding the vehicle coming from opposite direction. Now the factors. First, factors. Yes, anything I told?
Rate of
Factors. Factors on which overtaking side distance depends. Factors on which overtaking side distance depends. Badra, ila, right. One. Fact number one. Fact number one. Speeds of. ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನನಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಹುಡುಗರು ಬೇಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಒನ್ overtaking vehicle, speeds of one small one overtaking vehicle, two small two in that only, overtaken vehicle, three in that only, three the vehicle coming from the opposite direction, Next, small b, second factor. B, distance between the overtaking vehicle and you write down. Now you write again here also. Distance between the overtaking and overtaken vehicles. अगर ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ truck, center of truck to center of center of fast moving vehicle to the center of the slow moving vehicle. Yes. Distance between the overtaking and overtaken vehicles. Right? Elaborated right in that only. The minimum spacing between the vehicle depends on the speeds. The minimum spacing between the vehicles depends upon the speeds. Anybody? Higher the speed, what will happen to this one?
Higher speed, low gap, lower space.
Higher speed of the two vehicles.
Low space.
Higher. What is the higher? It is a truck. Truck is going.
Gadi.
And this is a car. This is the truck.
बड़े तो बड़े.
This one exactly spacing means center of the vehicle to the center of the vehicle. Higher speed. Higher speed. Don't write as a. You look at there, everything are talking only.
Go on copying, sir. Bunty got
This time highway will be very tough. The paper is very tough. You cannot open your paper. Such a tough paper I am writing. Very tough. That you cannot read the paper highway engineering title only. The title is also in a different way I am giving. First class. So today is my last class. What? How boldly, how proudly she says. So this is my first class. Already spacing between the vehicle. The minimum spacing between vehicles depends on the speeds. Next, number 3. Third factor. Skill and reaction time of the driver. Next, you can't write skill and reaction time of the driver. You can't write ಏನಮ್ಮ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋರಾಟಿನ ಎಂತ ಇಷ್ಟು ವೆರಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ड्राइवर तो यार नहीं the driver of the fast moving vehicle car और बेंच कार ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮೋಸ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಲ್ಲು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ rate of acceleration. Next, rate of acceleration of the overtaking vehicle. Rate of acceleration of overtaking vehicle. Last. Rate of acceleration. You want the physics kalsbekriga? I have to teach you physics. Rate of acceleration of overtaking vehicle. Next, last one. Gradient of the road. Now write analysis. I'm going to analyze it. How this formula you got? This formula how you got? Can't you write analyze it? Analysis of OHD. Analysis of OHD on a two-way road. यार दिखती स्केच है चल देंगे यार दिखती रही है ना स्केच कौन निकालने वाला है ये ड्रा कौन करते हैं
जा रहा है
आप करते हैं नीनू अब तो लास्ट टाइम कोई एक लड़का था ना कहाँ गया वो उसको 5 मार्क्स मिला चेम्बर निकालने के लिए अभी है कोई है तो आप वो who is going to draw this I am going to give him or her
10 marks
5 marks आओ
जा भाई
क्या है इसमें एक ऐसा स्केच निकालने का ये ऐसे देखो नीट है एक ऐसा
ओ सर
आओ
जा भाई
5 मार्क्स नहीं चाहिए फांसी नहीं चाहिए सर आपको क्या
क्या कर रहे सर
कर दे क्या मैं निकालो I will get 5 marks नहीं I will get 10 marks
हाँ सेल्फ मार्क
ನೀವು ರೀ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಡ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತೆಗಿತೀರಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಹಾಂ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿ ಗೆಟ್ 5 marks and that fellow who has drawn that day chamber types of chamber shapes of the chamber 5 marks she will also get 5 marks blackboard ವರ್ಷಮ್ಮ तो बोल blackboard ವರ್ಷ बंद मार रखा वीडियो पहले नहीं निकाल ओके नाउ I'm showing you small arrows to make you understand better ನೋಡಿ I'll show you small arrows here okay now try to understand what I said I will explain you all these things there are 3 types of the vehicles which are involved in the overtaking side distance 3 okay na there is vehicle A which is the fast moving vehicle car okay na 3 vehicles I told 3 the vehicle A is a car fast moving vehicle then vehicle B is a slow moving vehicle truck vehicle B is a slow moving vehicle truck and the vehicle C is also a truck always no it is a vehicle coming from the opposite direction A B C A fast B slow and C the vehicle coming from the opposite then what else is there look at now my boys just look at things what is going to happen in the things the car is following the truck beta car is following the truck then the car wants to overtake correct or not car wants to overtake truck then what he does the fast moving vehicle driver okay now he wants to he use a symbol to the truck driver bloody bro I want to overtake he says then the truck driver tells him no bloody bro wait till he confirms that there is no vehicle coming from the opposite direction that vehicle should not hit him or collide him that's why during this reaction time of the driver my boys the car will move from A1 to A2 During overtaken has not taken place. During this reaction time, he asked the driver, kindly allow me to overtake. Car driver wants to overtake the what? Truck. He says, he puts a symbol. Then he says, no, wait for some time. We may see. Driver will tell, the truck driver will tell, wait for this, wait for 5 minutes. That's a symbol. During that time, the car will move from A1 to A2. Correct or not? Then your truck will move from B1 to B2. ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ನೆನೆಸ್ತಾನೆ ದ ಕಾರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೋರಮ್ಮ ಇದು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ the car will move from A1 to A2. Then the truck driver says, no, wait. Then the truck will move from B1 to B2. When the truck driver is at position B2 and the car driver at A2, correct or not? Now the truck driver asks him to overtake, confirming that this coming vehicle will not hit him after overtaking. Then look at things. Then A1 to A2, then the truck will move from B1 to B2. Now the passing vehicle will overtake. You can see that overtake and join the vehicle. The car has moved from A1 to A2. Then afterwards it has moved from A2 to A3. Correct or not? By that time, the oncoming vehicle or the opposite coming vehicle has moved from
C1 to C2.
Move from C1 to C2. Right? What are the distance are being involved? Look here. What is the D1? Meters, of course. D1 is there, D2 is there, then D3 is there. And now I am going to tell you the meaning of D1. D1 is look at that blackboard, don't look at me. D1 is the distance traveled by the fast moving vehicle during the reaction time of the driver. D1 is the distance in meters, no doubt. D1 is the D1 is the distance moved by the vehicle during the reaction time of the driver in meters. That is from moving from position A1 to A2. Is it so? Look at this. D2. Now look at this. D2 is the actual distance traveled by the fast moving vehicle during actual overtaking operation. I repeat. D2 is the total distance traveled by the fast moving vehicle during actual overtaking operation in meters. And finally, D3 is the distance traveled by the oncoming vehicle or opposite coming vehicle from the position C1 to C2. In between that, S is there. What is the S? Anybody? S is center of one vehicle to the center of another vehicle. Center of truck to the center of 5 minutes. Here you want to write now? You want to write? Sir is ready. Here ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್. What do you want to know?
Explanation.
Shall we complete? You do know that?